Good morning from the West Bali, day 3 and the last one at the same time of our extraordinary trip today. This is the villa where we are staying. Actually, Winnie enjoying her swimming, morning swim. Huge land and there is the ocean, so many coconut trees, and we are staying in 2-bedroom private villa. Well, they call it residence, but it's like just 2-bedroom villa. And there are also single villas there everywhere. We were here actually once, maybe 1.5, 2 years ago. Maybe some of you remember. Property is huge. It's super remote because, well, if you wanna have, I don't know, any kind of civilization, you have to go back to Canggu. Or, well, actually to Canggu, eventually, you know, Negara city, but there is not so much tourist industry there. So it's very good for everybody who looks for something very quiet and very relaxed. However, this is totally nothing like, I don't know, in Ubud or somewhere where so many restaurants and you can have, you know, many other activities. Here is more into relax. I'm gonna show you the property around. Also, good thing is as this pool is private, so it only belongs to us, so Winnie can enjoy her swim by her own. Huge land which is private, so nobody can walk across it. It's cool. It's very private. It's actually very cool. For 4 people can stay, and that's the yard. That's the villa. This is the one room. There is the master bedroom. Actually, they are 2 the same, exactly the same. Just one is connected to the living room, and this is the living room. What I'm gonna show you. And also there is the rooftop. That's cool thing. I'm gonna show the room. So it's still clean and nice. That's the bed. Very nice room itself. No TV because you have to come here for relax and chill out, not really for watching TV. And here is very most important thing is the bathroom with the very nice mirror and sink, obviously, toilet, bathroom, and you have an outside shower like this one. So you get out and there is the shower together with the bathtub actually in this occasion, and you have a private coconut tree like this one. Oops, it's very high actually. They cut off the coconuts from this one, but somewhere there they are coconuts actually. So it's very cool. And I'm gonna come back and show you. This is very also interesting. So many mussels and the stones, so cool. Bathroom, one more view. You can face directly the swimming pool, gardens, and the ocean actually in the background. And air conditioner, of course, some painting, and of course little wardrobe here with the fridge, safety box, everything how it's supposed to be. From the swimming pool you can walk directly to the private patio. You can have a, you know, breakfast here if you want. There is our bedroom, and there is the public area where is the living room with the fridge, the big sofa, table. There is kitchen, the water dispenser, and another sofa. There are so many, you know, equipments there. No TVs, okay? That's TVs because this is not place for watching TV. It's more into relax, but in case if you would like to cook by yourself or something, you can do this. And of course you can see from the room directly the swimming pool. That's how does it look, the backyard. In general, this is our private entrance, and everywhere so many coconut trees. This is the entrance to the villa itself, very unique style with so many coconut trees just at the front of the entrance. Some fountain and everything. Umbrellas, living room. I'm gonna go to the rooftop. Hi, sayang. This is the rooftop where you can overlook the full entire property. This one actually is the most beautiful. We were opening yesterday here. Winnie is swimming, and that's pool and the full situation. There is the restaurant and the 1-bedroom villas. Of course, you can rent the 1-bedroom villa, ocean view or like a garden view, many options. And that's how does it look like. Actually cool. And on the rooftop is so much space. You could have a, I don't know. I'm coming here just to enjoy the view, but I don't know what else you could do. And that's simply how does it look property. I'm gonna go now to the beach a little bit because it's also very interesting. And there is one public pool and second public pool. And each of these villas also have a pool, almost all of them. Sayang, are you enjoying the swimming pool? How is it? Nice? I'm gonna go show the people how does it look like, yeah? Enjoy, yeah. So this is the pool and villa. And all of this land, all of this actually belongs to the villa. But you have to walk on the grass, and the coconuts are up there. But they cut off the coconuts, so it's safe. At night it's actually a little bit funny here because you are walking, and I was afraid of the snakes. But there's no snakes here. But you know, mentally you're afraid of the snakes. But it's safe, don't worry guys. And you can go to the beach right here, right now. So the villa where we stay, 2-bedroom residence or villa, or however they call it, it looks like this on huge land, and the villa in the background and the swimming pool. So it's perfect for the family or friends, holiday, or maybe wedding or anniversaries or something, when you wanna have a little bit of the privacy, because at least nobody gonna walk at the front of your villa, and you don't need to use public pool, because this pool is actually pretty big as well, public one. Anyways, if you would like to book 1-bedroom villa, ocean front villas, this is the 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and this is the public pool. Over there, there is the spa, if I'm not mistaken, the restaurant where you can have a breakfast. We and Winnie, we used to stay last time in this villa, but that was during the pandemic when was nobody here, and the prices were super affordable at that time. Now the prices are a little bit different. They range something from 180 USD up to 400 USD, depends of what kind of villa you want to have it. So it's slightly more expensive, but of course there's no more pandemic times, at least well, not in the industry of the hotels and stuff like this one. And this is the public pool. But even public pool, nobody is here, well, 10 o'clock at morning. But most of the villas having their private pool. But if you want, I think the 180 entry level is without the pool, so then you have to enjoy here. Anyways, no matter what you choose, nobody is here. Well, don't take me wrong, they actually, when we arrived on Monday, it was full book. There was like only 1 or 2 villas empty. Just people are enjoying their time in the villas, not really in the public areas. Anyways, I'm gonna show you one more shot of the public area, the villas, the swimming pool, facing directly to the ocean. Actually, some lovely couple enjoying there, and this is the restaurant. This is where you're having a breakfast if you don't want them to deliver to your villa. In my opinion, it's cool because it's just facing beach and it's nice breeze. And this is beach itself, as you can see, is totally empty, but it's very hot. So now I'm gonna show you the shots what we made last night during the sunset. It was beautiful actually. Also not many people, almost nobody, so you can enjoy with the nice music right now. And then we're gonna explore the way going back to Sanur. That's the about 3.5-4 hour journey, by the way. And I would like to just notice that this is not any kind of paid endorsement. Hotel never invite us to making this video or anything. But we just want to show you something different, like full entire concept of the West Bali trip. 99% of the influencers from all around the world who visiting Bali, they never even been here, or they don't even know about the existence of this place. So for us, it's a great opportunity to show you something different. And of course, this place is not for everybody.
We all live on time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like a spark fly in the wind. We all look up to our fathers, all our lives if all is right, and we all need of mothers when the day is dark as night, and the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door.
Alright, and after a pretty long journey, we arrived to Pererenan. Again, how we started our journey in Pererenan, we finishing in Pererenan. I don't know, for some reason nowadays I really like Pererenan, and we are going to the Italian restaurant just because it's nice. Also gonna show you how it looks inside. Very simple concept and so much construction going on literally everywhere. Coming soon, and noises of the construction. And I think I don't need to mention it's very hot in Bali. In case if you ask, it's about 32, 34 degree in the shed. So when I'm working in the sun, it's much more. In case if you would like to see this tasty pizza, what I'm gonna have, it's Arthur. And well, on the empty street, quiet street like this one, very simple restaurant, but with the very nice food. I will show you a little bit around how does it look like, simply like this one. But they have probably the best pizza in full entire Bali island right now, cooking over there, and good coffee as well, and decor is also alright. And that's one of the pizza capricciosa with the ham and everything. And this one is the fungi. Check this out. It looks and tastes the same. Very good. Alright guys, so that was our 3 days trip to West Bali, Northwest Bali. Recently, actually, we stuck in the traffic jam in Canggu, but that's the reality. When you saw the roads, actually, recently in West Bali, there's totally no traffic. Then slowly there are trucks coming, and then when you are in Canggu, in Kuta, Legians, when you have everything, you know, like a regular traffic, like always. So that was the trip. Hope so you enjoyed. Well, thank you so much for listening, watching, and I hope so I will see you tomorrow on the next one. See ya. Take care.